What's up everybody, I'm Brian from I Want Tesla, and I've got a really cool product for a Model 3 and Model Y. I just purchased a Model Y, and if you haven't seen that video, it's right up here. It's a base long-range Model Y, but that means a lot of fun stuff I want to add to the vehicle. So this one, the big one, everyone likes big packages, right? Am I right? Anyway, I've worked with this company before. Halo Black is the name. It's a really cool company. They started, well, I saw them when they first came out with these hubcaps, these aero caps that kind of helped with efficiency around the wheels and kind of give it a different look, which is really cool. And then they've also made floor mats and all sorts of cool stuff. And now they have a really cool thing for the screen in the car that really ties in a bunch of accessories into this one thing. Take a look at this video they sent to show you the idea of this. Before I open it up, their packaging is really good. It's almost like Apple stuff. It's really nice how they have their packaging, and also Tesla, because I just got their new Powerwall, or not Powerwall, but the new charger for the garage using my referral points. Thank you for everyone who's used my code. But this is really cool stuff that they have here. Let me kind of go over a few things with you. This is a little pillow that goes on the back of the seat. This is under the screen storage compartment. Really cool. This is a change holder. I don't really have change, but this is good to have. This is the boring hub. Looks like a spot to charge things. Wireless chargers, different connections for maybe a GoPro. There's so much stuff that fits around this. This is the key part. Whoa. Oh, look at that. They even give a drawing. They even give the drawing of the idea. That's actually really cool. You'll even charge your Apple Watch? I'm getting excited. Whoa. This thing, holy, this thing is legit. Wow, how many accessories do you get that have a big booklet of how to set it up? And more fun stuff. Stickers, of course, and a keychain for a car that doesn't come with a key. Great idea, but I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. But looks like, without reading the directions, this is how it goes on around the screen. This part, the ridge part, is to the back. This part is to the front. There's pads so nothing gets damaged, and it gets held on with magnets. This, that's really cool. But these are all connections that go to this. So let's get this connected to the car. All right, let's see if we can just install this really quickly. Should be pretty quickly. So this should fit right over. Probably should read the directions, but I never do with these things. Because I feel if you make a product that is intuitive, you shouldn't need directions. It's on. How easy was that? Let me show you this. So from the driver's seat here, you're gonna see these tabs that hold it on, but you don't see what's on the back. I'm gonna show you the back in a second here, but everything is gonna clip onto this. Through the windshield, can't really see too well. Let me give a little blocking here. It doesn't look too bad, actually. From the side, it just looks thicker. Let's see from the passenger side. From the passenger side, I mean, really all you see from up front is these tabs. But now I'm curious to see what we can attach to this thing. All right, this is just some. All right, that's just some of the stuff that we can put to this thing. So let's start with the ball mount. I'm not saving packaging here. Again, not going to read directions. It slides on the track, push a button, Oh, you push a button and it's, oh my gosh, this would be perfect if you're an Uber driver or something. You can sit your phone there, and then there was a phone mount, magnetic phone mount that the ball, okay, that goes on first, that goes on, who's on first, what's on second. So there you go. The phone attaches to here. It's pretty solid. You can move it out of the way, you can move it down. So this might be good for the passenger if they want to watch a movie or something like that while you're driving. This is powered. Oh yeah, there's a USB-C port right over here. So this came with a cable, so you run the cable down and you got wireless charging for that. Temporary car parking plate. I don't know what that means. This one, the big one. Everyone likes big packages, right? Am I right? Anyway, this is a heavy-duty silicone piece. Oh, there's a magnet on this side because this is holding for a magnet. Where does this go? Okay, so this attaches to the back, sits back here. Oh, so those little tabs fit. I'll have to show you that. That just sits right in place with these two magnetic places, so you can actually hold things in place. You don't get to see it up front, but it's there. This device is the boring hub. I'm assuming it goes right in the dash here. So or the pocket here. I'll have to set up the camera for that, but let me go see the other stuff. What else do they have? There's more. Oh, there's more in the garage too. These guys are awesome. All right, this is a GoPro mount. This would attach there for a GoPro. Looks like you can put change, but this is the one I wanted to see. This is the screen storage organizer. I think this fits underneath. So I kind of want to see that. Maybe you guys do too. If you made it this far in the video, I think you want to. Again, the packaging is, oh my gosh, the packaging is great. The branding, everything. You got to make a product that you don't need the directions for, I think, personally. So this track runs along this track on the back. We just, oh my God. Again, super easy to install. And you still have access to your phone if you want your phone down here, but when you can have your phone up top here, and you can have this rail up here if you want to, or on the bottom, however you want it. Put your phone over here, and then you have this long arm sitting over here. There's so much you can do to this, and put your phone in here, your glasses. It's actually well thought out stuff. So I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go through and play with a lot of this stuff, not first time on camera here, and show you how I set it up and show you the benefits I think that is gonna be good for your car. I'll be right back. All right, so I just quickly set things up. I have a GoPro mount up here, so you can set up a GoPro. You can have it face you or right out the windshield. I moved the phone over to this side, and it did come with a charging cable, so it goes right into here, and you can just mount your phone there. This is a watch charger, and it actually came with the Apple Watch charger cable, but you can set that up, and you can have that charging off to the side if you want to. I put the tray here, nice rubber tray. Your phone still fits underneath here. And I left this side clean, but you can obviously take this and put it on this side. Right down here is the hub, or the boring hub. And it's got little lights on either side that you push this button and you can change the colors. You can change however you want it. Or you could probably turn it off too. Eventually it'll turn off. But there's also a light on the inside. If you can see, there's this light you can turn on and turn off. It takes the one USB-C port and powers this device. So you have USB-A and USB-C, both power, and then you have openings. So if you had an old phone and you need a lightning cable, you can actually run it through here, or however you wanted to charge something. It also came with this instead of the charging one. I believe once you plug this in, this can glow, looks like it. Really cool setup. I don't know why I put the air freshener in, because this is a brand new car, but hey, you know, I did that anyway. I also have a couple extra pieces here. This again was the plate, parking plate holder, and it also came with these. These are just These are little tiny clips for the cables. So for this cable and this cable, you can route them easier, and it clips on really nice, and so it's nice and tidy. Now I'm too tall for a headrest to work for me, because this would be right in the middle of my back, because I'm a 6'5" giant here. But I put it right here, and this is super soft. Oh my gosh, you just recline the seat here, and that is a nap waiting to happen in the passenger seat. Here's the tray I was talking about. These are magnetic here, these little clips. Stick this to anything, and if you want something to stay there, an RFID thing for work, or put your sunglasses up there, there's so many things you can do with this. This is not just setting up one way. This is an amazing kit. Push the button in the back, you can pivot it this way, you can push this, slide this up wherever. So it is up to you where you want this stuff. You don't have to put it where I say it is or where they say it is. You're just buying this whole thing, and individual pieces, not just, you don't have to just get this whole thing. You can get individual pieces. If you don't have an Apple Watch, obviously you don't get that, but so many customizing things you can do. And this smells good, by the way. It smells really clean. Even though this is a brand new car, you know, Tesla doesn't clean them really, really good, but this is a brand new car, and this smells really nice. Really cool stuff from Halo Black. Put down in the comments, have you gotten anything from Halo Black before? They sponsored a video before about some floor mats in a Model Y, and they obviously brought some other stuff with that. Did you get that? Did you like it? I'm gonna take a nap here. Let me use this pillow. Oh my God, this pillow is really soft. This would be great on long trips. I'm just too tall for this, and it's probably not good for a driver to have this anyway, especially with Tesla's new camera that's like a Nazi watching you. If you just blink your eyes, it pulls up the nag there. But this thing is really comfortable. They sent two. Maybe I'll put this in my office chair. I'll never get any work done. Thanks for watching. Stay awesome, stay positive. And I'm gonna take a nap.